Hello Daad community. Yesterday we discussed what are some examples of blockchain based e-commerce platforms. And today I am discussing about various benefits for e-commerce such as improving security and privacy. Blockchain can protect the e-commerce transactions from fraud, hacking and identity theft by using the encryption and digital signatures. It can also give customers more control over their personal data and preferences and reduce the risk of data breaches and leaks. Reducing costs and fees. Blockchain can eliminate the need for intermediaries such as banks, payment processors, and platforms that charge fees and commissions for facilitating the e-commerce transactions. It can also lower the operational cost of e-commerce businesses by automating the processes such as inventory management, order fulfillment, and customer service. Enhancing the transparency and trust. Blockchain can provide a verifiable and immutable record of e-commerce transactions from the origin of the products to the delivery of the orders. It can also enable the customers to review and rate the products and services they purchase and reward them for their loyalty and feedback. This can increase the transparency and trust between the e-commerce business and customers and improve the customer satisfaction and retention. There are some of the benefits that blockchain can offer to e-commerce, as it can help e-commerce businesses and customers to benefit from more secure, efficient and transparent online shopping experiences. Thanks for watching. If you are new, please subscribe and share Daad Academy and e-commerce mastery channel and ask questions in the comment section.